Hey guys, welcome to the first part of the series, How to Build a Website from Scratch. First of all, we're going to create an HTML file. Don't worry, it's really simple. First, you need to go to the folder where you want to store the HTML file. Right-click, choose the New option and then select the Text Document option. Rename the document to Index and also change the file extension from .txt to .html. Now you can see the file icon has changed to the Google Chrome icon. If you are not able to see the extension of your file, go to the View menu, select Show option, from that select the File Name Extension option. Double-click on the file to open it in a browser. My default browser is Google Chrome, so it will open in Google Chrome browser. Now you will see a blank page in your browser, because we haven't written anything in our HTML file. To edit the HTML file, I'll be using the Visual Studio Code editor. You can use any code editor of your preference. Let me show you how to edit the HTML file using Visual Studio Code. For that, first we have to open our file in the VS Code. There are a few options for it. The first option is we can click on the Open File option. Go to the folder where you have created the HTML file, select the file, then click on the Open button. The next option, called Open Folder, will let you open the folder that contains the files you needed to create the website. Now you can see all the files in the selected folder on the top left side of the VS Code. Click on the HTML file to start editing it. Now first we need to add the HTML boilerplate. For that, just type HTML, then from the options select HTML5. It will add the necessary HTML5 boilerplate. Boilerplate code, or just boilerplate, are sections of code that are repeated in multiple places with little to no variation. Let's talk about each sections of codes used in the HTML5 boilerplate. All HTML documents must start with a doc type declaration. The declaration is not an HTML tag. It is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. The HTML tag is the top level element of the HTML file. You will nest the head and body tags inside of it. The lang attribute inside the opening HTML tag sets the language for the page. The head tags contain information that is processed by machines. Inside the head tags, you will nest metadata, which is data that describes the document to the machine. UTF-8 is the standard character encoding you should use in your web pages. This will usually be the first meta tag shown in the head element. This meta tag specifies the document mode for Internet Explorer. Microsoft Edge is the highest supported mode. This tag renders the width of the page to the width of the device's screen size. The initial scale controls the zoom level. The value of 1 for the initial scale prevents the default zoom by browsers. The title tag is the title for the web page. This text is shown in the browser's title bar. Let me change the title. Save it, then refresh the index file in the browser. Now you can see that the title has been changed. The body tag defines the document's body. The body element contains all the contents of an HTML document, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. There can only be one body element in an HTML document. Let me show you how to add a heading in our HTML page. Open the H tag. Inside that you can add the title, then close the tag. Every tags from the HTML tag have an opening and closing. Refresh the page. Now you can see the heading. Let's add a paragraph also. For that, open the P tag, type a paragraph, then close the P tag. Refresh the page. Now you can see the paragraph. I'm gonna end the first part here. Hope you find this video useful. See you in the next video.